Good morning, students. Our chapter number second, microorganisms, friend and foe, is going on. In that, we learn what is the meaning of microorganisms, types of microorganisms, where microorganisms will be found. In friendly microorganism point, we saw for making curd and bread how we are using microorganisms. Today, we will see the remaining part of this chapter. Now, our next point is commercial use of microorganism. Commercial use of microorganism. Here, commercial use of microorganism. Microorganisms are used for a large scale of production of alcohol, wine, and acetic acid, which is called as a vinegar. Microorganisms are used for production of alcohol, wine, and acetic acid. Yeast is used for the commercial production of alcohol and wine. Yeast is a main important part which is used for alcohol and wine, and yeast is a fungus. Yeast is a fungus. For this purpose, yeast is grown in a natural sugars present in grains like barley, wheat, rice, and crushed fruit juice, etc. Now, how the alcohol will be prepared? One activity is given downside. See the activity 2.4. Take a 500 milliliter beaker filled up 3/4 with water. Filled up 3/4 with water. We have to take one beaker of 500 milliliter and we have to put 3/4 of water and dissolve 2 to 3 teaspoonful sugar in it, and a spoon add a half a spoon of yeast powder, half a spoon of yeast powder to the sugar solution, and keep it covered in a warm place for 4 to 5 hours. And now smell the solution, and could you get a smell? After whole process we get a bad smell. We will get a bad smell, and the smell of it shows, and it is a presence of alcohol. This is the smell of alcohol, as sugar has been converted into the alcohol by yeast, and this process of conversion of sugar into the alcohol is known as fermentation. The yeast which is used for the production of the alcohol, how we can produce the alcohol? We have to take one beaker of 500 milliliter, we have to put 3/4 water in that, and we have to put 2 spoon or 3/4 spoon sugar in that, and half spoon yeast powder in that. When we have to cover it, and we have to put in a warm place for 4 to 5 hours. After that, one bad smell will become, and which is shown that the presence of alcohol. And why it will be converted? Because of the yeast powder converted sugar solution into the alcohol, and this process is known as fermentation. And the scientist Louis Pasteur discovered fermentation. Louis Pasteur discovered the fermentation in 1857. One discovery of the Louis Pasteur will be pasteurization process. We already learned that, the pasteurization process. Now next one, medicinal use of microorganisms. Now the most important use of the microorganism, that is medicinal use of microorganisms. How we can use the microorganism in the medicinal purpose? Now we are aware about that whenever you fall ill, the doctor may give you some antibiotic tablets. We are aware about nowadays antibiotic tablets. Many more doctors, they are giving antibiotic tablets, capsules, or injections, such as penicillin is also one type of antibiotic. The source of these medicines is microorganisms. Those are made from the microorganisms. These medicines kill or stop the growth of the disease causing microorganisms. Why these medicines will be used? These medicines will be prepared from the microorganisms. For what? To kill or stop the growth of the disease causing microorganisms. Which are the disease causing microorganisms? For them we have to stop or we have to kill. For that purpose these medicines will be prepared, and those are called as antibiotics. These days a number of antibiotics are prepared, being produced from bacteria and fungi. There are some examples are given. Streptomycin, tetracycline, and erythromycin are some of the some of the examples commonly known antibiotic which are made from fungi and bacteria, these are the commonly known as a antibiotic. Which are the examples? Streptomycin, tetracycline, erythromycin. Nowadays we are aware about that many more another antibiotic like azithromycin, azathrol. These are the antibiotics, many more antibiotics present in the market nowadays. Now the antibiotics are manufactured by growing specific microorganism. It will be prepared, but the specific microorganism it is required, and are used to cure variety of diseases. Antibiotics are even mixed with the feed of livestock and poultry to check the microbial infection in animals. These some antibiotics are prepared that we will mix with the feed of livestock and poultry. जे आपल्या घरी जे पाळीव जनावरं आहेत किंवा पोल्ट्री फार्ममध्ये जे कोंबड्या आहेत त्यांच्यासाठी सुद्धा त्यांच्या खाद्यांमध्ये सुद्धा हे अँटीबायोटिक मिक्स करून वापरू शकतो. कशासाठी? तर मायक्रोबियल इन्फेक्शन चेक करण्यासाठी. दे आर ऑल्सो युज्ड टू कंट्रोल मेनी प्लांट diseases. They are also used to control many more plant diseases. Before that, one point is remaining here backside. In 1929, scientist Alexander Fleming was working on the culture disease causing bacteria. He is working on that, and suddenly he found that spores of little green mold, बुरशीचे spores. Already we are aware about that mold means green mold, बुरशीचे spores. And in one of his culture plate, he observed that the presence of mold prevented the growth of bacteria. The mold which is present on that plate, which prevent the growth of bacteria, in fact it also killed the many of these bacteria, From that, the mold penicillin was prepared. It is a story about the penicillin. How the antibiotic penicillin was prepared. Now here the most important note was given downside. It is important to remember that antibiotics should be taken only on the advice of qualified doctor. Also, you must finish the course prescribed by the doctor. If you take antibiotic when not needed or in a wrong dose, it may make the drug less effective when you might need in a future. Also, antibiotics taken unnecessarily may kill the beneficial bacteria in a body. Antibiotics, however, are not effective against cold and flu, as these are caused by the viruses. Now, it is the most important point which is required in our daily life. Nowadays what happen when we are suffering from any other diseases, that time what we are doing, we are directly go to the medical shop and we are asking for the antibiotic and we are taking it. But antibiotic, it is a one type of medicine we have to take with the advice of qualified doctor, because what is the reason behind that? We have to take advice of qualified doctor, because suppose we are taking in a wrong dose, that time what will be happen? These antibiotic will not be work on that particular diseases. Suppose these antibiotics are not needed for our body and we are taking, that time what will be happen? So in the future, suppose these antibiotics our body needed, that time suppose when we are taking, that time it not be effective for that disease. For that purpose, we have to take the antibiotic by advice of qualified doctor. And what happens? Suppose unnecessarily we are taking these antibiotics again and again, what will be happen? Maybe these antibiotics maybe kill the beneficial bacteria which is present in our body and which is required for our body. It will be kills them and it will be harmful for us. Antibiotics are not effective against cold and flu. Antibiotics are useful on the bacterial diseases. It is not useful for the viruses. Like cold and flu. These are caused by the viruses. here it is a most important point. What is the most important point? Antibiotic we have to take only the advice, we have to advice of the qualified doctor, and we have to finish the course. Suppose there the course will be mentioned of three tablets, 4 tablets, or 5 tablets. We have to take all of these tablets, and we have to complete the course. Suppose we have taken 3 tablets, and that time we feel easy, we feel comfortable, and that time remaining two tablets we are not taken. What will be happen in the next time? These antibiotics will not be effective for that particular disease. This is the most important thing, this is the most important point about the antibiotics. Next point, vaccine. Now in the second last year we are aware about that rubella vaccine already given to you, rubella vaccine. Now here, what is the use of vaccine, how vaccine will be works, we will see in this point. When a disease carrying microbes enters in our body, the body produces antibodies. Suppose the healthy person already given the vaccination of that particular disease. What happen when any disease causing microbes or disease carrying microbes enter in the body? That time in the vaccination, where vaccination already given that the healthy person in the body, the vaccine, it produces antibodies to fight with the invader, and the body also remembers how to fight microbes if enter again. Suppose these microbial diseases will be enters again and again. That time our body knows how to fight with the germs, how to fight with that particular microbes. So if dead or weakened microbes are introduced in a healthy body, the body fights and kills them by producing suitable antibodies. Suppose any bacterial microbe will be enters in the healthy body. That time our body knows that how to fight and how to kill the germs with the suitable antibodies. These antibodies remains in the body, and we are protected from the disease causing microbes. This is how a vaccine works. Several diseases including cholera, tuberculosis, smallpox, hepatitis can be prevented by the vaccination. Which type of vaccination are available in the market? Some examples are given here. Cholera, tuberculosis, smallpox, and hepatitis can be prevented by the vaccination. One information is given there. Edward Jenner, scientist who discovered the vaccine for smallpox in 1798. Edward Jenner, who discovered the vaccine for the smallpox. Now here, in our childhood, you must have been given injection to protect yourself against the several diseases. Can you prepare a list of these diseases, and you may take the help of your parents? Here in that we can found that in our neighborhood or in our home also, your small brother or small sister will be there, that you can saw that many more injections, many more vaccinations will be given, like polio, BCG, and hepatitis. This type of vaccination will be given for them. Or you also in your childhood it will be given. It is essential. Why? To protect all children against these diseases. These are the diseases are harmful, and it will be cause death also of the child. Necessary vaccines are available in the nearby hospitals. Nowadays these vaccines are available in the hospitals also. You might have seen the advertisement on TV and newspapers regarding the protection of children against polio under Pulse Polio program. You saw that many more advertisement on TV and newspaper also about the Pulse Polio program. And polio drop given to children are actually a vaccine. Which polio drops which given for the children? It is a vaccine. It will be given again and again for the children to protect them from polio disease. A worldwide campaign against the smallpox has finally led to eradication from most parts of the world. द स्मॉल पॉक्स, देवी रोगापासून वाचवण्यासाठी कितीतरी मोठ्या प्रमाणात कॅम्पेन चालवण्यात आलेलं होतं, चालवण्यात आलं होतं की जगामध्ये तो स्मॉल पॉक्स पूर्णपणे निघून जावा, नाहीसा व्हावा यासाठी. These days, vaccines are made on a large scale from microorganisms to protect humans and other animals from several diseases. Nowadays, many more vaccines are prepared. Many more vaccines are made available or made on a large scale from the microorganisms to protect humans and other animals from several diseases. We can protect humans and other animals also from several diseases. Here some vaccines are already mentioned about polio, chickenpox, smallpox, tuberculosis, hepatitis, and cholera. BCG also will be there. These type of vaccinations are already prepared to save the humans from several diseases. Up to this we covered in this period. Remaining point we will see in the next period.